So I've got my pool noodle here that I need to make my shooter, and I want to make my shooter about 4 inches long. So I'm gonna bring in my little measurer. I'm gonna measure off about 4 inches. That is about what I need the length to be. Now, of course, I don't know if there's science to this or not. Maybe it's better if it's shorter, better if it's longer. I have no idea. But it works at 4 inches, so that's what I'm going with. So again, then I'm just gonna take a pair of scissors and we're just gonna cut into it. Just like we did for the lightsaber, we're gonna cut a 4-inch piece off. These foam noodles cut really, really easy. You don't need any special tools. Simple scissors work just fine. My other tool that I need is a balloon. So I've got a balloon. I believe these are the 12-inch balloons. Again, these just came from the dollar store. And I just want to cut the tip of that balloon off. So I've actually folded it in half. I'm going to take my scissors. That duct tape is making my scissors not as sharp. Come on. Cut. And I just cut off the top of that balloon. So now I am going to tie a knot at the base of the balloon. And that is going to be what pushes that air and shoots out whatever we put inside our little shooter. Now I want to find kind of the flattest end because that's the side that I want out. So then I'm going to take my balloon, I'm just going to stretch that over my little piece of pool noodle there. And I really want that balloon as tight against that pool noodle as possible because it will stretch out a little bit as we use it. So it's just best to start it out with it being as tight there as it can. And you want that knot right where that hole is. So you want the knot right over the hole. And then to secure it, again, we are going to take our duct tape because duct tape is awesome. We're just gonna cut off some duct tape. And again, trying to keep it even, we're just gonna lay the tape right over, half over the balloon and half over the pool noodle. That's pretty easy, right? And then just roll it all the way around. Ta-da! And there is our shooter. See, it wasn't that easy. You could seriously make some of those. You could make a whole bunch of those in no time. And here I've got these fun little pom-poms. Now, size does matter. In this pom-pom selection, I've got some big ones, some medium-sized ones, some little ones, and like some baby ones. So I can use the baby ones, but then they're really hard to find. The size you want is really about the size of a marshmallow. That's really what works best inside these shooters with the size of the hole. Because if it's jammed inside there, there's no way for any air to move to push it out. So I really like the small size in these shooters. If I shoot you, will you see it? Oh, it shot really fast, so I don't know if you saw it. But these are really fun to get into a little fight. Marshmallows are great. I wouldn't use hard marshmallows. Those might hurt, unless you want them to hurt. But these are really fun, perfect for birthday parties as well. Just a balloon, pool noodle, and duct tape. Super duper easy.